What I'm basically saying is that you must yearn for more knowledge on how to improve visibility of your product. That is why you have to advertise. That is why you have to pay Facebook. Good day, my name is Dele Ayemiboanya. Welcome to DBA TV, where we discuss everything international trade. And today I'll be talking to you about why buyers abroad do not know you exist. Why buyers abroad do not know you exist. If you are trying to get buyers for your product abroad, then they must know you exist. That means they know your business exists because your business is visible enough for people to see. In order to increase the chance of getting buyer in the export market, the exporter needs to increase the number of potential buyers that are aware of his product. So there must be the potential buyer should be aware your product exists. They must be aware that you can add value, you can deliver the product. That is the whole essence of promotion, which is why I said you need a budget. You need to be visible. I mean, there's no two-way to it. If you have gotten the Eureka Pack, that's what is behind me here. You can see what behind me, how to find buyer abroad. That's the pack. If you have gotten that pack behind me, that pack explains in detail how to find buyer abroad. And it will show you different options you can use to promote. So you need to promote. People must know you exist, particularly if you are into products that are not commodities. If it's commodity, everybody already know. You just be able to identify those that are buying and be able to deal with them. But if it's finished product, you need a lot of promotion. Much more than those that are doing commodities. So if you're going to increase the chance of getting buyer abroad, as an exporter, you need to increase the number of potential buyers that are where you exist. For this to happen, the exporter needs to gain more knowledge on how to improve his product. As an exporter, you need to get more knowledge on how to improve your product visibility before the buyers in the export market. This will require you, as an exporter, working with your representative in the export market. In order to know the location where these potential buyers are concentrated, in order to know the market, the age range, the sex, if it's male or female, of the potential buyer. This is to ensure that you are able to put them into consideration in your promotional activities. What I'm basically saying is that you must yearn for more knowledge on how to improve visibility of your product. That is why you have to advertise. That is why you have to pay Facebook, pay YouTube, pay Twitter, pay LinkedIn, pay Instagram, whoever it is you want to pay. But you must put. But if you look at the previous video I did on this, I said when you are promoting on different platforms, look at the one where you are getting engagement and getting the kind of responses you want, and then narrow down on those ones. Narrow down on those ones. Narrow down on those ones. Let those ones become your forte, your focus. But you need to do it on all of them first. So there must be visibility. They must know your product exists. Some of us have fantastic product, unique product that are in high demand. In fact, yours is actually better than the one available in the market, and you have evidence to prove that. But the people who are going to distribute, the retailer who are going to distribute, the wholesaler who are going to distribute, do not know you exist. How do they know you exist? Of course, you have to research where they are and do online marketing and advert to reach them, or buy data and reach out to them. Remember, when you are reaching out to them, you need your rep abroad to be the one to reach out to them. Do not try to reach out to them for obvious reasons. Just because you are Black, and because you are African, and because you are even Nigerian, you are a fraudster until you prove otherwise. So do not be the one to reach out. If you do your marketing online, direct them to your website. They're able to get to your website and they're able to know you have this product. They're interested, and if you even drop their detail, let someone be the one to reach out to them. I hope this video has been of help to you. If video has been of help to you, please give it a thumbs up. If you love what you heard and you have friends who might be interested, share with your friends. I know you might have questions about what I've said. Please drop your question in the comment section about, remember what I'm talking about is how to yearning for more knowledge, the need for you to yearn for more knowledge to increase your visibility. And that if you don't do this, you won't be able to get buyer. Remember the topic again. The topic is why buyer abroad do not know you exist. Why buyer abroad do not know you exist. They must know you exist, and that will be only through promotion. Drop your comment if you have questions. If you want to join our community, subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you want to know when you upload a new video, click on the notification channel. My name is Dela Imibo, and I'm your expert doctor, and I'm signing out.